Hello everyone, welcome to Simon 2. Today we do nothing. We stay right inside the houses and we do nothing. We have to replace the element for the SIMPSON cooktop. Normally when your house or everywhere around Australia it's all about the same. Okay, this is the solar system. We don't give a shit about that one. Anyway, so when you want to secure something, to work on something, you see the writing on here. You see they got different circuits for every one of them. So we got the AC, that means air conditioning, AC, air conditioning, and main switch. When you turn it off, everything will be go off, but you don't want to turn that one off. You got power line ones and safety switch, main solar switch, and all that crap. We don't need it. But you see the hot plates here, or cooktop, they call cooktop or hot plates, sorry, yeah. And the best way is just here, turn it up, and then you can go inside and finish your jobs, and then you can turn it back on again when you finish work. Okay, that's what I would do if I were you. So the best way is turn it off and safety for you. Okay, now we go inside and do the jobs. This is the SIMPSON. They are top cooking, always burn out and blow out by little cockroach here. And cái nào burn em? Which one burn? This one? This one and that one? All work? Only this one? Okay, so I've been replaced this one in another day, and this one still work, and that one not work. The reason for this top cook is very simple and easy to burn, because this is the element and super thin. It's not thick. One little cockroach go in here and reach between here, and they caught fire, and you know the belly of the cockroach got water, and if water touch it, this will be cracked and one of this burn out and will never make contact again. I order 4 of them, mostly like this one, and I got the big size, another 2 in here, anyway on the way there. Anyway, to do this one, better turn up the power outside where the power box is called heater or element on the 3 wires big one. So turn off the main power before you enter. I don't want you get zapped. So open up from here. See, this one plastic and this one ceramic. Don't ever try with the screwdrivers. You may damage and you may cry. Okay, you cry, mate. Okay, lift up like this, and here you see some of my master cockroach here. See, this is the evidence. That's my master always. Kill it, man. Kill my. Okay, we are living in the hell here. So I don't know where to go. Okay, we turn this one upside down like this. Okay. Oh, bugger. Okay, upside down. Oh wait. Oh good. Oh good. Oh good. Yeah. Okay. Very simple. All this bolt came out, and don't lose it. Later we need to put it back. I remember I just replaced the big one last week, and we run out the small one, and we have to order, and now put back. For cooking, man, my wife cooking, man. She's very good cook, you know, but tastes terrible. Good cook, but tastes terrible. Better than nothing, you know. If you say bad, she never cook for you again. So better say my wife is bad cook, the good cook. So they rather hear that than more than you tell the truth. Okay? They don't want you to tell the truth. Okay? Happy? Happy bit. Okay, here is my master. See my master, eh? See my master. See, go in here and see that the burn one. See that one. See my master leg is still here. See my master here. They go in and burn straight away. You see, only one damage there, and it burned out. And this one's still good. This one's still good. This one last week, so this one's still good. Only this one. Okay, take it out. Turn upside down. Okay. Now we're gonna turn this on here. Sorry, it's okay. Okay, this one just like that. Okay, I don't want to touch it or do any damage. Okay, now we can enter from this one. Okay, in here. And the bar out. Too big, man. Say. Okay, too big. Oh my goodness. Maybe I ordered the wrong one, man. I have a look. Have a look for small one. If it's wrong, I see. Okay. Ordered the wrong ones. So it's wrong ones. But anyway, I still put this one there. Just sometimes we need for cooking urgently. We still need that one there. Still go in there. Still can go in here. And then we take it out and replace this one. And we